Welcome back from an ad break. Now let us continue with our concept. Now we are looking at the number of pieces that we are going to use in order to assemble a diagram. So here we are given a picture. They say a study lamp is to be assembled. Study the diagram and answer the questions. So determine the number of pieces that is needed to assemble the study lamp. So now in this case, you are simply going to count all these pieces and add them together. So when you count them all of them, they will give you 23 pieces or 23 parts in order for us to be able to assemble the study lamp. You can just add all of them. The cord will be counted as one, and then all of these, as they appear to be one as per set. And now the second example, we are looking at a fan. It says a fan is to be assembled. Indicate the number of pieces needed according to the given manual. So now according to this manual that is given to us, it means you will need from this piece, which is number 1, up to the 16 piece, which is the cord set. So now it means we are going to need the 16 pieces, and we are also going to need, so here we can say 16 parts, and we are also going to need 11 screws. So now how do we know that we will need 11 screws? Here it is indicated to us. So these are the screws, and the total number of these screws is 11, and all these other parts being counted, we need 16 of them. So it means we are going to have 16 parts as well as 11 screws. So now remember that every time you attach one part to the other, you need to use the screws in order for the diagram to be tightened and to be safe to use. Then looking at the next example, it says a high chair is shown. So here it is shown on this picture. Indicate the number of pieces needed to assemble the chair. So now we are going to be looking at this part, which is the quantity part, whereby the keys are given to you and the number of parts are shown in this case. So now adding all these parts, so from the bottom we have 4. We are adding all of this up to the seat, so we need only one seat. So in total, when we add all these pieces, we are going to be needing 19 parts in order for us to assemble this high chair. So now we have come to the end of our lesson, and I hope now you understand that when assembling a diagram, you need to check the number of pieces and follow all the instructions as they are given on our manuals. Thank you for joining me. I will see you again next time.